Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I've been in Atlantic City recently, as you guys know, doing some Christmas videos, and most of those were last week. I hope you caught all of them. I will announce a winner shortly as far as which casino, or which business I should say, did the best as far as decorating this year for the holiday season. But while I was there doing all that recording, I also did a few slot pulls. So the next I don't know, week or two, I'm going to show you one or two slot pulls that I did. The first one today is at the Ocean. It didn't take too long. This is like an 8-minute video or somewhere around there. But did I win or did I lose? Stay tuned to this video and find out at the end. So as I said, I'm here at the Ocean, and I found this Hot Stuff slot machine, and Hot Stuff's been pretty good for me lately, so I figured why give up on a good thing. So I found this machine, I sat myself down, put $100 in, and started off with a 40-cent spin, but then I went up, I believe I just went up to a 80-cent spin, just to move things along a little quicker. I already hit a bonus. Will I hit more bonuses? We'll find out.
Fire me, win!
This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, the room tour at the Flamingo on the Las Vegas Strip. I had a great stay there recently. Congratulations, Deborah.
Congratulations to our 730 winners, Joseph James and Carol Hashem. Again, you have 30 minutes to win the prize at the Ocean Rewards Desk. Good luck and thank you for playing with us here at Ocean Casino Resorts.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Well, you know what? I won a little over 55 bucks and I'm gonna take it and run. I put $100 in, I'm taking a little over $155 out. This hot stuff game is looking pretty good for me. I'm gonna play it next, I think at the Hard Rock. That video coming up shortly, so stay tuned for that.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.